showing you my cousin's pig farm. Yeah. Along there, pigs. I'm on the farm today, people. All along these pens here, pigs. Right? So I'm just showing you. Oh, my cousin is doing so well. See it? Pigs in the pig pen. See it? See the baby pigs here. And this is the man, this is the big man pig. This is a, all right, and these are the pigs. And I'm going to show you the goats. So these are the goats now, you know. So I'm on the farm, people. So that one bad, push everybody and she want to take all of the, what? And you have the pregnant ones. Couple of the goats are pregnant, right? You see that black ramim?
Oh yes, a black ramim.
And see a little kid there eating. Wow.
This is so cool.
Look at there. See it here? Really on the farm. I know, and some people don't want to work, and there are so many things we can do.